In today's world, where everything feels interconnected and people are more accessible than ever, building new friendships and meeting people, especially women, can sometimes feel both exciting and overwhelming. The challenge often lies in understanding whether someone is interested in a deeper connection or if they're simply engaging in a casual conversation. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to read the subtle signs a woman might be sending your way, whether for friendship or something more, then you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll explore 7 key signs that may indicate a woman is looking for something more than just a brief chat. But remember, the goal here isn't to manipulate or put pressure on anyone. Rather, it's to help you better understand social cues so you can naturally build authentic connections without the burden of heavy expectations or commitments. Before we dive deeper, I'd like to invite you to comment below with the phrase "yes" if you're here because you want to boost your social confidence and elevate your interactions. Feel free to share a funny or interesting story about a time when you met someone new. Your story might inspire others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips on improving your social skills and connecting more authentically. All right, let's jump in and explore the first sign. 1. Consistent eye contact. The unspoken connection. What it means. When you're in conversation, the eyes often reveal more about a person's feelings and intentions than anything they might say. If a woman holds your gaze for longer than usual, especially if there's a smile attached, it could indicate that she's genuinely engaged in the conversation or possibly interested in you on a deeper level. Why this is important. Eye contact is one of the most powerful non-verbal cues we have. A lingering glance or a sustained gaze usually suggests that she's not only interested in the words you're saying, but also in connecting with you on a personal level. In contrast, someone who isn't interested may avoid eye contact or look around the room. What to do? Don't feel obligated to immediately return the gaze, but if it happens naturally, respond with a friendly smile. This simple gesture can help create a relaxed atmosphere and keep the interaction smooth and pleasant. Practical example. Imagine you're at a social gathering or a party. You notice that this woman keeps glancing in your direction. The next time you look her way, she doesn't look away immediately. Instead, she holds your gaze for a brief moment and offers a small smile. That could be a signal that she's interested in more than just a quick exchange of pleasantries. At this point, you can take the opportunity to make eye contact, smile back, and perhaps even start a casual conversation. 2. Open and inviting body language. Comfort in your presence. What it means. Our body language often communicates our true feelings more accurately than words. If a woman is leaning slightly toward you during a conversation, keeps her posture open, arms uncrossed, or even touches her hair or face while talking, these are signs that she feels comfortable and engaged with you. Why this is important? When someone is at ease and open to interaction, their body language will often reflect it. Open posture and slight physical gestures, like touching her hair or adjusting her clothing, signal that she's comfortable being in your presence. A person who's closed off or disinterested, however, might cross their arms or keep a certain physical distance. What to observe? Look for open body language. Her arms uncrossed, her body oriented toward you, and even small gestures of physical closeness. Casual touches, like a tap on your arm when she's emphasizing a point, could also be an indication of interest. Practical example. Let's say you're at a coffee shop sitting across from her. If she leans forward when talking, tilts her head toward you, and doesn't fold her arms across her chest, these are signs of comfort and engagement. If she happens to touch her hair or play with a bracelet, it could mean she's relaxed around you and potentially interested in furthering the interaction. 3. Laughter and smiles, the joy of connection. What it means. Smiling and laughing are universal ways to show that someone is enjoying themselves and appreciates your company. If a woman laughs at your jokes, even the small or simple ones, it often means she feels at ease with you and enjoys the time spent together. Why this is important? Humor is a great bonding tool. When someone laughs with you, it's often a sign that they feel a connection and are enjoying the conversation. A genuine laugh usually comes from a place of comfort and rapport. In contrast, forced laughter or awkward silence can indicate that she's not quite as engaged. What to do? Keep the mood light and fun. Use humor to keep the energy positive, and if she responds with laughter, take it as a cue to maintain a playful tone. Humor can often break the ice and make interactions more memorable. Practical example. At a gathering, you tell a joke or share a funny story. She chuckles, smiles, and maybe even laughs a bit harder than expected. It's a good sign that she feels a connection and enjoys your company. Keep the upbeat energy going, and you'll likely continue to build rapport. 4. Curiosity about your life. She wants to know more. What it means, if she starts asking personal questions about your life, your hobbies, interests, or routine, it's a clear sign that she wants to learn more about who you are. This type of curiosity shows that she values your perspective and wants to find common ground with you. Why this is important. When someone takes an interest in your personal life, it often means they're looking to establish a deeper connection. Asking personal questions is a way to learn more about you without being intrusive. It's not about prying, but rather about building a bridge of mutual understanding. What to do? Be open, but also mindful of what you share. You don't have to disclose every personal detail, but sharing a bit about your passions and interests will help the conversation flow and reveal shared values or common ground. Practical example. If she casually asks about your favorite movies, what your weekends look like, or your travel experiences, take this as an opportunity to share something personal. If you're into photography, for example, this could lead to a conversation about your favorite subjects to shoot or places you'd love to visit. 5. Efforts to be close. Subtle proximity signals. What it means. When a woman positions herself close to you during group conversations or events, it often means she enjoys your presence and wants to continue the interaction. Physical proximity, when unforced, is a key indicator of interest. Why this is important. People naturally move toward others they feel comfortable with. If she tends to gravitate toward you in group settings, that's a sign she values your company and may be open to furthering the relationship. What to do? If practical example, at a party or event, if she tends to linger near you or follows you to another room, it's a good sign she enjoys your company. It's a nonverbal invitation to continue spending time together, so embrace the opportunity to deepen the connection. 6. Initiating conversations. She wants to stay in touch. What it means. If she regularly initiates conversations, whether through text or in person, it's a strong sign that she wants to keep the connection going. If she's taking the lead in maintaining communication, it shows she values your interaction. Why this is relevant? Initiating conversation, especially between meetups, shows that she's not just being polite. It demonstrates genuine interest in staying connected and developing a relationship, whether it's casual or more serious. What to do? Keep the conversation flowing and reciprocate her interest. Be open to her messages and respond positively, but don't force the interaction. Let it unfold naturally and focus on building rapport. Practical example. She texts you after a fun outing, asking about your day, or suggesting that you catch up soon. This is a clear sign that she wants to continue the connection, so make an effort to keep the conversation alive. 7. Noticing the small things. She pays attention to details. What it means. When a woman starts noticing the little details about you, like your clothing choices, the scent of your cologne, or your favorite books, it shows that she's paying attention and wants to understand you better. Why it matters. These small observations show that she's not just engaging with you on a superficial level, but is genuinely interested in who you are. It's a subtle sign of attraction and emotional investment. What to do? Respond naturally and share more about yourself. These types of comments are a great way to build rapport and deepen your connection, as they show a genuine interest in getting to know you. Practical example. If she compliments your outfit or comments on how nice you smell, it's a good indicator that she's paying attention and finds you attractive. Use the opportunity to engage in a deeper conversation about your personal style or interests.